Hello class 8, good morning. Today we are going to discuss some Java program based on assignment statement. First question is write a program to assign a side of a square and print its area. The question is to write a program to assign a side of a square and print its area. Area of square equal to side into side. Now see the program. Each and every program begins with the public class line. So class name is public class. Class name is given area of a square. Second line, public static void main string args. This is common for each and every program. This will not change. Now int s equal to 12. We can take any side. You can take double type also. If you take double type, then you have to take here in point like 12.7, 12.9. Int area equal to s into s, side into side. And printing line system out println area of a square equal to area. Now let us write this program in BlueJ where we compile the Java program. What is the step? Before also I have showed you. Open the BlueJ. BlueJ is open. Click on the new class. Type there area of square. Okay. Now see the area of square has come. Double click to open. It is opened. Now it is open. Now after opening, delete the unnecessary line which are not required. Unnecessary line means it gives a skeleton program. So unnecessary lines before the public class just delete. It is deleted, and after public class line all the lines, don't disturb the public class line, all the other line just delete. Now type the program from the second line, that is public static void main string args square bracket close, enter, curly bracket, int suppose s per side equal to, you can take any number, suppose 12, semicolon, int area equal to side into side s asterisk s, semicolon, a printing line system s capital dot out dot println. Type now double quote message area of square equal to, and give the same variable name, that is the area. After plus sign will concatenate it, add it, area, close the bracket, semicolon. Now close both the curly bracket. Now compile the program. Message comes no syntax error because there is no mistake. Close the program. After closing the program, do the right click on the class name, click on the void main, click on the OK, and see the output has come area of a square equal to 144. Side was 12, 12 into 12, 144. The same way, now let us see another program. Second program is write a program to assign length and breadth of a rectangle and print its area and perimeter. This time rectangle, area equal to length into breadth, perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. See the program, this time public class area peri, because you are calculating the area and perimeter, so area peri, public static void main same line, int len length for the length of the rectangle equal to 12, and br for breadth of the rectangle equal to 18. Int area equal to len asterisk br breadth, int peri equal to 2 into len plus br, system out println area of a square equal to area, system out println perimeter of a square equal to perimeter. Now let us write the same program in BlueJ. So click on the new class as usual, type there area Perry. Done. Again same way, open the area Perry by double clicking, delete all the lines before public class, and after deleting, type the second line public static void main bracket string args, close the bracket, curly bracket, int, suppose length equal to 12 for length, comma, br for breadth equal to suppose 20, semicolon. Now area equal to length into breadth, length asterisk br, semicolon. Again PERI for perimeter equal to 2 asterisk bracket length for length plus BR for breadth. Close the bracket, semicolon. Now printing line system dot out dot println bracket double quote area equal to double quote plus area same variable name, semicolon. Again print system dot out dot println. This is printing line of the Java. Detail we will study in next chapter. Println double quote perimeter equal to whatever we have to print, put in double quote, perimeter equal to double quote plus sign PERI double quote semicolon. Program is over. Close both the curly bracket. Now see, program is done, typed. Now compile the program. Double click, area equal to length into breadth, compiling. Now see, this error message came. Why error message comes? Because area and Perry is not declared. So declare it. Type here int area equal to length into breadth and int Perry equal to length 2 into length plus breadth. Now both the variables are declared. That's why error came. Now compile. This time no syntax error. So did you notice when you don't give the data type or type the program wrong, this message class compile no syntax error will not come. Okay. Now close the program. Right click on the area Perry. Click on the void main. Click on the OK. Now see, message came area equal to 240, perimeter equal to 64. Now if you want to change the output, if you want to get a different output, then you can change the value of length and breadth. Open the program. Suppose length is 12. So make it 14. Suppose breadth is 20. Make it 25. Again you have to compile the program. Class compile no syntax error. Close. Right click on the area Perry. Click on the void main. Click on the OK. And output is area equal to 350 and perimeter equal to 78. So in today's class we have learned two programming program. First program, assign the side of a square and calculate and print its area, and second program we have assigned the length and breadth of a rectangle and printed the area and perimeter. So I have showed you how to type the program in the BlueJ and compile it. So write both the programs in your copy and practice. Thank you.